I can also write, and I find writing or transcribing and transposing is difficult. Transposing is when you change the key of one song to arrange it in another key. Transcribing is when you convert a composition to sheet music. And what I find intriguing with music and art is there's a lot of relationship, because in art you have composition. Art is composition, it's self-explanatory. So in art you have a term they use called the composition. So the composition is basically a metaphor. In music, it's literal, but also a metaphor. To compose is to create, to germinate to fruition. We call it alchemy, transmutate, convert insignificant to significant, convert the insignificance to significance. So in art you have something called composition. In music you have also composition. And I also have an original composition. That's